And welcome to another week, folks. It is Christmas week, and a lot of folks are out of school and off work this week, and deservedly so. Alexandria Tower Cam showing a partly cloudy sky here in the evening hour after sunset. It's a pretty evening, and well, not so nice to start to the day with the morning fog. And then up in Gina and LaSalle Parish, hello to all you folks. We've got a partly to mostly cloudy sky in your direction as well. So coming up, I'll be talking about these things. First of all, unseasonably warm weather ahead, but you know about that. This part, though, is new. Just looking at this yesterday and the day before, there's a cold front coming in Sunday, and it's going to make a difference, and it will peak into 2026. Those are outlooks after the 7-day forecast. Let's get started with the radar. A couple of showers in and around central Louisiana here during the day. Seeing some control burns and that sort of thing. A little area rain to the south of us, a few showers over in that direction. So I'll play an hour's worth. So you can see this is definitely lifting northward into central Louisiana, and I think it has enough staying power that it will continue for a little while and then go to bed as we get later on into the evening hours. Satellite and radar showing big systems out to the west of us, a little area of disturbed weather there in the western northwestern Gulf. There's an upper level system, nothing tropical with that, and so that with the surface front that we had come through yesterday was able to stir up a little rain and still stirring up a little bit. So I think what you saw just on radar across South Louisiana moving northward is a result of this little disturbance in the upper level disturbance in the northern Gulf. All right, temperature set up for today. The heat dome is here. This is the December heat dome. Okay, so if this happens in summer, July, August, we're around 100 plus degrees for highs. Since it's December, we're being in the 70s with a few 80s. Okay, so that's the difference, but it's still a heat dome. And likewise, tomorrow is going to be with us. And in fact, I could play this out for the rest of the week, and you'd see the same kind of pattern as this will hold through the week. Futurecast, let's step you through the next couple of days. For Tuesday morning, I'm afraid we're going to have a fog problem once again. We're in that pattern. We've got enough moisture. We get cooling at night, and we see the fog form. Then it dissipates, lifts during the day, and we repeat again during the next morning. So Tuesday back home in the evening, no issues there. But going back Wednesday, fog once again expected for Wednesday morning. So in these foggy mornings, slow down, be careful, and keep your headlights on low beam. Futurecast, I'm going to do a little warm and cold bubbles of air for you. Notice we're definitely in the warm bubble here, and let's just play out. So this system out west doesn't look like it's going to help us out much, if anything. But notice another dive of cold air through the Great Lakes into the northeast. So this digs a big trough. This breaks down the fence, okay? So here's the fence of the warm air way up north across the Pacific West, and then it dips southward all the way into Florida as the cold air will break the fence down even into Florida. We're going to be on the edge of that, but that will bring in, that pattern will bring in a decent front Sunday. So here are your numbers. We call it the 7-day forecast. Fog issues the next couple of mornings. Very warm, both during the night and during the afternoon. Again, these are averages for CENLA. Some folks are going to be higher, some lower. But in long-term climatology, we should be seeing about 39 for a low and 59 for a high. So you can see how much above we are. And I don't see any rain chances all the way through Saturday. So Santa Claus, I'm here, is going to be wearing shorts here in central Louisiana with the fog problem here in places. I think Rudolph will have his enhanced light on. All right, let's go into Sunday with the front coming in. We'll bring a change, scattered showers expected there. It'll cut the afternoon high off into the low 70s. And once we get into Monday morning, you'll definitely notice a chill back Monday morning with an average of 40 degrees and only making it barely into the 50s for highs Monday. And the numbers I'm seeing for Tuesday morning indicate probably another freeze Tuesday morning with this front. All right, hold on. I still got a little bit more. Here's outlooks. Well, this is after the little 2-day cold spell that we'll have for Sunday, Monday. So after that, starting on December 30th, we've got much above normal temperatures continuing, and heat dome returns there. There's your 39, 59. So odds are during that week it's going to be a good bit warmer than that. So the next cold spell, like the last one earlier this month that brought the moderate to hard freeze, will be short-lived. Precipitation, rainfall above normal out west. We're near normal here and below normal across the East Coast. For us, that means less than 1.25 inches in rain buckets for the week. All right, that's it, folks. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for your support for SenLaw Weather. Nick Meekins will stream in the morning, and I'll stream in the PM. Take care and have a tremendous